I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. Freedom of mind is the real freedom. The relationship between husband and wife should be one of closest friends. If I find the Constitution being misused, I shall be the first to burn it. I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality and fraternity. Humans are mortal. So are ideas. An idea needs propagation as much as a plant needs watering. Otherwise both will wither and die. Indifferentism is the worst kind of disease that can affect people. Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document, it is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is always the spirit of age. A bitter thing cannot be made sweet. The taste of anything can be changed. But poison cannot be changed into nectar. They cannot make history who forget history. Law and order are the medicine of the body politic, and when the body politic gets sick, medicine must be administered.